Alright, the daddy of all ab exercises, standing ab wheel rolling. Obviously, this is a very advanced core exercise. I wouldn't recommend you guys trying this exercise until you become a very seasoned trainee. So this exercise, it does test the isometric strength of all your six-pack abs. So it does require you to hold your abs in a very tight position from the standing position to the rolling out position. And if you guys cannot do this standing position, the regression version would be to start from the leaning down. So you're going to drop your weight by quite some by placing your knees on the ground. But if you are advanced enough like me, you can definitely try the daddy of all ab exercises. So I'm going to do about three sets of this standing ab wheel rolling, and I'm trying to shoot for probably about 10 to 12 reps. It may look very easy, but trust me, there's nothing easy about this exercise. So let's go. Okay, I can definitely feel my abs are screaming painfully in the last few reps. It may look very easy when you watch me doing this, but trust me, it is probably the most challenging core exercise you can ever think of. So this small invention here, the ab wheel, is probably a very inexpensive piece of equipment, but it's probably also one of the most valuable equipment you can put into your arsenal. So yeah, spend probably a few dozens of bucks buying one of this, and it's going to help you develop the coveted six-pack abs that all you guys want. Alright, hopefully you have enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up, and also maybe just consider subscribing to my channel. It means a great deal to me. Thank you very much for seeing this video, and I will see you guys next time.